Venus reverses its orbit around August 2021. I am Manzoor Hussain with the practical videos of creation of the universe in Manzoor Discovery Channel. When Venus appears in its orbit in the morning on the first day, it is at the north point of the Sun. Then it continues in its orbit. The journey continues from north to south. There is a line drawn between the orbits to understand the orbit of Venus, which divides the orbit into two parts. One part is A and the other part is B. The northern part of the latter is M and the southern part is H. When Venus enters the center of its orbit, it rises about 2 hours and 45 minutes before the Sun. The degree ratio is about 40. Rotating in its orbit, it reaches H point south to of the Sun, where it rises and sets along with the Sun. A few days later, Venus enters section B and appears to be south of the Sun 20 minutes after sunset. In section B, Venus travels from south to north. When B occurs in the middle of the part, the Sun sets 2 hours and 45 minutes after sunset. The degree ratio is 40. As Venus continues its journey, it reaches the point M in its orbit, at which point the Sun sets. Eventually, it enters a part of the orbit again, and in the same way, it has always been rotating in its orbit. Venus disappeared from 2021. I thought Venus has gone away from its orbit. Suddenly, August 2021 was seen in the north of the Sun in the B part. In white and power light at the beginning, we could not recognize it. That is a secret, or there is a planet, or there is no planet. 15 days later, we recognize it, that it is a Venus. After the sunset, the time of the Venus increased the time and started moving toward north to south. When Venus reached the place of September, the place where the sunset, latitude began to set. Today is 1st November. Venus sets in the south of the Sun 2 hours and 15 minutes after sunset. After sunset, when Venus appears on the west side at sunset, occurs south of the Sun and moves from south to north in its orbit. But this time In August 2021, the Venus appeared to the north in the western direction of sunset and is moving from north to south in its orbit. Let's take a practical look at Venus, whether it is sacrant or inverted. Venus is currently moving from north to south. If Venus is moved in a straight line from right to left, then Venus will have to be placed on a part in February. Today is 1st November, when the Earth will move in its axis. Venus will set 2 hours and 15 minutes before sunset. Venus, the sun sets 2 hours and 15 minutes after sunset. Venus is moving from north to south at the movement. We have to place Venus on the B part in July anyway. At this point, Venus sets 2 hours and 15 minutes after sunset. This is the reverse rotation of Venus from left to right. Friends, this exercise proves that Venus has been orbiting in its orbit since August 2021. When the cause of the reverse rotation is known, then the video will be sent. Subscribe to the channel so that videos can reach you in timely manner. Goodbye to the next video.